Open it.
What is it?
You need some help with it, boy?
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, camera. There's some buttons on it, yeah.
What's in the box?
Let's see. He has some keys here you can use.
Oh, Fosie's getting scissors.
Oh, that's better. Good idea, Fosie. Oh, thank you. There we go. Let's see here. Yeah. You open it.
What is it?
Oh. Yeah.
Wow. Hey, Mom, can you grab the teapot real quick? So I can keep videoing.
Are you videoing?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
But I cut your head off, though. I'm sorry.
That's all right.
Hugo, do you see something? Let him see one.
Look at this, boy. You want to see this? You want to open it? Okay. Hugo, what's in here? What is that?
First train. What is that, Bo?
Did Santa bring you this?
Uh-huh.
Tunnel.
Is there a tunnel?
There might be a tunnel.
Dad, can you show us a real choo-choo train?
Let's see if I can find one here.
There's a lot of boxes.
There are a lot of boxes. You go. What is this? Let's see. Look
Oh,
at this, boy.
you just leave it,
What
Mom.
is
Just
that?
hot water.
It's a choo-choo train.
Hugo, can you tell me what that is again? What is that? Choo-choo train.
Is that right?
Oh, is that a
Fire
fire
truck.
truck?
Is that what it is? Okay. Wow, there's lots of pieces to this. Check it out.
Where's the fire truck make noise?
Zoom, zoom.
Hugo, what is this?
What's that? Flower. It's a tree.
It's a tree.
Yeah, where's the fire truck? It's actually part of the choo-choo train. I think it might be the caboose.
Chuck, chuck, chuck. Oh boy, here comes